Who doesn't love watching films? We all do. Movies are not just about spending time together with our family and friends, but also about learning. Hello, my name is Brittany, and today we want to recommend 7 of our favorite English movies for children. Watching these films will provide a practical and authentic learning experience for your children, where they are learning English in real-life situations. Grab the popcorn. The Novakid family movie night is about to start. The Lion King tells the story of Simba, a young lion who will eventually become king. During the film, Simba meets Timon and Pumbaa, and this unlikely trio live by the mantra of Hakuna Matata before returning to Simba's home to claim the throne. This film is full of simple vocabulary and catchy songs that are guaranteed to grab your child's attention. Let it go, let it go. Hey, you already know what film this is. It's Frozen, the fascinating tale about friends teaming up to change the weather back from infinite winter. The vocabulary in this film surrounds winter topics, and the main characters are just adorable. The reindeer Sven and the snowman Olaf. Together, they will definitely make you laugh. A person's a person, no matter how small. In Horton Hears a Who, a big elephant named Horton makes friends with the residents of Whoville, a tiny city on a speck that he cannot see. Despite being called crazy, Horton protects Whoville and helps them prove that even if you're little, you can still make a big difference. The rhyming in this film is a great way for your child to practice their pronunciation because it happens in a natural way. Toy Story is the story about the secret life of toys that come alive whenever humans are not around. Wow, imagine if all the toys in your child's bedroom could talk. What would they say? Maybe they would complain that your child doesn't play with them enough, or that they never put them back in their place. Anyways, this film explains the concepts of loyalty and friendship while expanding on the meaning of family. Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs is a film more suitable for advanced learners. It tells the story of a scientist who wanted to invent something meaningful, but he never succeeded. His latest invention turns out to be a complete disaster, and he only has a limited time to fix it. The amazing thing about this film is that your child will learn about food and weather vocabulary at the same time. The main character, a monkey named George, first appears in 1941, so we can say that this is a classic. Actually, it's also a TV series, so be prepared for 14 seasons about a sweet African monkey that can't help but get into trouble. The language in this series is easy to understand, and it's full of useful everyday phrases. Curious George is all about learning, forgiveness, and playful curiosity. Finding Nemo is the heartwarming story about the love for family and friends. It takes place in the ocean, so it's a great way to learn about sea life and underwater vocabulary. Bright colors, a catchy soundtrack, and lots of hilarious moments? This is the perfect choice for a family movie night. Once your child finds a film they like, I guarantee they will want to watch it again and again. You can also ask your child's teacher for more recommendations based on your child's level. Whatever film you choose to watch, try to find one that sparks an interest in your child. What is your child's favorite film? Write it in the comments. Thank you for watching.